Hello, I'm Casey Loftman, Editor-in-Chief of Food Engineering Magazine. Joining me is Jorge Izquierdo from PMMI, and we're going to be discussing digital printing. Jorge, digital printing has been a big change in the packaging industry. I've had people describe it to me as sort of a seismic shift. So how is it affecting the packaging industry right now, and where do you see it going in the future?
Well, for sure, the availability of digital printing and the cost of the digital printing coming down it's significant. And as you know, packaging is being pulled in all directions because of flexibility requirements, demands for consumers, and the capability that digital printing brings to the table in terms of flexibility, in terms of short runs, in terms of providing top quality presentation for a product for a small manufacturer. That maybe they can produce a short run of 20 different products. Now they can do that without a problem, without cost being a limitation.
Okay. And you mentioned something there about consumer demands, and I know that one thing that we hear a lot when we talk to processors, when we talk to manufacturers, vendors, everybody, is that the pace of change in consumer demands is so much faster now than it was even 5-10 years ago. So processors really need a lot of flexibility in how they do everything from processing to packaging and all that. So digital printing gives them kind of another tool in the toolbox to help be able to respond a little more quickly, right?
For sure. In fact, in some applications, they can, on the labeling side, for example, they can have one single roll of labels with maybe 4 or 5 different products on the same label, meaning they can have based on their manufacturing schedule, they can use the same labeler for different products without the need of changing the labels. It's just synchronizing. More and more now they are able to synchronize their manufacturing, their filling, their closing, their capping with the labeling and the matching the right product with the right label.
Okay. And we have Pack Expo Las Vegas coming up here. So what can attendees expect to see in terms of digital printing?
Well, we're going to have our first digital printing pavilion at Pack Expo Las Vegas. And what they're going to see applications for specifics to the food, for the food industry. We're going to see some of the new technologies, vision combined with digital printing for quality control. Many of the applications on e-commerce sometimes, matching also personalization, when you have the name or a message in a specific container, and how digital printing is addressing these needs.
Great. All right, Jorge, thank you very much for sharing some insights on digital printing with us.
Thank you, Casey. I appreciate it.